Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series is finally gonna be available on Flipkart and Amazon for everyone to purchase. Redmi Note 12 with Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 CPU, Redmi Note 12 Pro with MediaTek Dimensity 1080 CPU, and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus with the same CPU but with a 200 megapixel main camera and 120 watt fast charging. However, the funniest thing that I noticed is how Redmi Note 12 does not have an ultra-wide camera unlike the other phones from Redmi and Poco in the same price segment. In this video, I'm going to talk about some possible problems on Redmi Note 12, 12 Pro and Note 12 Pro Plus based on our experiences with Redmi Note 11 series, especially after new software updates of MIUI. If you are looking for an unboxing and first impressions video, then this video is not for you. The first possible problem on Redmi Note 12 series is touch unresponsiveness issue. All phones of Redmi Note 11 series had showed touch problems after latest software updates. So I'm guessing that Redmi Note 12, Note 12 Pro and Note 12 Pro Plus also has chances of touchscreen problems, especially due to the faulty MIUI or MIUI we have. The second possible problem is the display flickering problem that was common on Redmi Note 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus phones. The screen seems to be flickering when receiving calls or even when the dialer app is opened. As this is a software bug of MIUI, there are many chances that Redmi Note 12 Pro as well as Note 12 Pro Plus phones will have the same issue. The third possible issue is the AMOLED display problem in Redmi Note 11 series phones where true black images show whitish shades at low brightness. This problem is also present on various Poco phones as well, and people have been using custom ROMs and apps like Oreo Colorizer to fix this issue, and this itself shows that this is an MIUI problem. So Redmi Note 12 series phones will also face this display problem, which might be fixed in MIUI 14 update in future, but I'm not sure about that. The fourth possible problem is camera problem. Redmi Note 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus had lags when switching between different cameras. This was definitely a MIUI problem, and due to this fact, camera lag problem will be present on both Redmi Note 12 Pro as well as Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus phones. The fifth possible problem is boot loop problem that happened on many Redmi Note 11 series phones after installing new software updates. This can also happen on Redmi Note 12 series phones as the issue is due to improper download of software packages. The sixth problem that I am sure to see on Redmi Note 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus phones is heating issue while playing heavy games as well as charging the phone. The UFS 2.2 internal memory and LPDDR4X RAM will cause heating along with hangs and lags when you are using the phone for heavy purposes. I'll have to wait to get the phone in hand to do a proper Redmi Note 12 Pro and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus camera test, display test and gaming test. So subscribe and stay tuned to my channel to watch more videos on whether these problems are present on Redmi Note 12, Note 12 Pro as well as Note 12 Pro Plus.